Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wix SEO for structured data and sitemaps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Wix website dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Click on the three dots next to the page name and select Settings. In the page settings, scroll down to the SEO tab. Here, you can add structured data markup. Wix provides predefined schema types for various content. Choose the schema type that fits your page's content. Fill in the required fields for that schema type. Continue to optimize each page by repeating the steps above. To add site-wide structured data, go back to SEO in the settings. Select Structured Data. Enter your site's structured data code, if applicable. Once you've completed these steps, click Publish to apply the changes. Now, let's move on to generating your sitemap. Return to the main dashboard and click on Settings again. Select SEO from the Settings menu. Scroll down to find Sitemap. Enable the option for Automatically Generate a Sitemap. Wix will now create and update. To view your sitemap, simply add /sitemap.xml at the end of your site's URL. Check that all your pages are listed correctly in the sitemap. With these steps completed, your Wix site is now optimized for SEO through structured data and sitemaps. Monitor any changes in search visibility over the next few weeks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.